So beautiful, she is strong. She is strong. Oh yeah, yeah. She is powerful, sophisticated and confident. So strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So you can see from the title that today we're doing some jerk chicken. We'll be doing some cooking in the backyard. Have the jerk pan here, and also we'll be doing some sides. So guys, if this is something you want to see, definitely stick around. It's a bit windy outside today, so I hope you guys can hear me clearly. I hope you can hear me. So we're going to just skip to the video where I prepare the chicken for the jerk, and then we'll come right back. So they're all set on the grill.
A few moments later.
So we're just going to test the pot to see how they're going so far. The kitchen. So just going to leave them a little longer on that side, and we'll soon come back, right? Still party. Some of it.
No, sir.
So we're testing them just to make sure that we're not burning. It's a dripping showing that it's cooking. Leg no look too bad. The breast them are cook. just go and leave that and come back. Okay. So I'm going to add a homemade sauce to it. So it is made from mango, Otaheite apple, and the seasonings we would have used this morning when I seasoned the jerks. I'm just going to apply it to it, brush them on. And then when I turn it, I'll apply it to the other side. So this helps with the moisture, keeping the moisture on it, and add some additional flavor. Almost finished applying it to all of them, and then I just go and flip it and do it to the other side. So they are almost ready. About to take them out shortly. Looking scrumptious. Them look good, don't it? Oh gosh, man. Look on jerk chicken. Look on niceness. Just going to take out some of them now. Oh. Look at that. So there we have them. So guys, this is the final look. This is a leg and thigh and the roast corn. Made some coleslaw on the side. So this is the final dish ready to be served. Let me know down in the comment section if you'll be trying this meal. And also guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and click the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time guys, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally.
Welcome to Majesty, dressed in your right.